Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Morgan Stanley has appointed an internal lawyer to serve as unit of the bank subject to a federal probe into blocks trending, the Financial Times reported of Thursday, citing people briefed on the arrangement. The bank has ordered the lawyer to sit on its U.S. equities, saying this to supervise bankers and answer that their legal question. The Fitch report signed in February, the Wall Street Bank said that U.S. regulator and prosecutor were probing various aspects of its block trending business. The bank did closer in February followed a report that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission says it was investigating whether financial executives had broken rules by taping of hack found a hit of large sale of shares crow as block terrors. The decision to install the lawyers on the desk was made after the firm praised Pawan Pasi, head of the U.S. equities syndicate, desk on leave last year. The Fitch report the bank last week placed a second member of the equity syndicate desk, Carlos Laser, on leave. The report at the citing people familiar with the matter. Morgan Stanley did not immediately respond to a router request for comment. The bank's role in the collapse of Agseco's capital management has depended a probe by U.S. authorities into Wall Street lucrative market for block traders. The investment bank lost nearly $1 billion last year when Bill Howard was filed to meet margin call for several investment banks, including Morgan Stanley, to attempt recouping losses by liquidating shares and assets. Toyota Motor Corp said on Thursday its July global vehicle production has fell 60% year-on-year, missing its target for the fourth straight month of COVID outbreak, severe weather, and a record crop on top of a persistent chip hard output. The sustained weakness in overall performance in July from the world's largest automaker by sales has raised concerns that Toyota may have to lower its annual production target of 97 million vehicles, even as China deals with pandemic restriction and chip shortages are showing some signs of easing. Toyota produced 70,006 vehicles worth with last month below its target of around 80,000 units and the year's yearly output of 77,300. Production in the first 4 months of the current fiscal year, which began in April, has fallen 10.3% short of its initial plans. The global auto industry has withheld supply chain disruption caused by chip shortage and China's strict COVID restrictions, but Toyota has also been dealing with heavy rain in Japan, a production line halt due to a recall investigation and coronavirus outbreak at a local plant. Toyota said domestic production has tumbled 28.2%, outweighing record July overseas production up 4.5%, driven by a strong recovery in Europe, China, and the rest of Asia. In August this year, Toyota is planning to produce about 70,000 vehicles, and considering it made about 50,000 in August last year, I think the situation is starting to improve. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.